everyone, so today I'm going to be doing Wednesday's makeup from the Addams family. For my foundation, I used the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation in the shade Light 45, I believe. And next I'm going to be doing my brows. I just have this brow powder kit, which I sprayed with a little bit of Fix Plus, and I made it almost into like a water paint consistency. This is actually how I usually do my brows. So once I get to the front of the brows, instead of squaring them off, I'm gonna round them out because she does have more round eyebrows in the front. I'm just repeating the same process on my other brow with a MAC angled brush, and next I'm going to be taking a black pencil liner. And then I'm just tight lining my eyes, and I'm also going to be running it on my bottom waterline. Next, I'm just taking that along my lash line. I'm also taking a small MAC brush, spraying it with Fix Plus and smudging that out both on the top and on the bottom. I'm next going to grab an Anastasia brush and further smoke out that bottom lash line. And then I smoked the top only with whatever product I already had on my lid. This makes it really soft. Next, I'm just taking some Ardell demi lashes. I'm applying them and curling both of them. I'm gonna apply some mascara. I always use pink and green. And then I'm gonna go into my Anastasia contour kit. I'm taking the more gray toned bronzer, and I'm gonna be running that right along the hollows of my cheeks, and I'm also going to define my jawline. Next, I'm taking a MAC powder to highlight, and this is in the shade Silver Dusk, and I'm just taking that on my highlighter brush, spraying it with Fix Plus and running that along my T-zone and on my cheekbones. I want an extremely silver highlight to emphasize Wendy's paleness, so I'm taking the Rihanna highlighter in How Many Carats and running that along those same areas. And that finishes off the Wednesday look. Just add a button-up shirt and a black cardigan.
They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky.
For something bolder, I'm just going into the Anastasia lip palette, and I'm taking the black shade on my lips. That finishes off my Wednesday makeup tutorial, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!
When people come to see 'em, they really are a scream. The Addams Family. Neat. Sweet. Petite. So get a witch's shawl on, a broomstick you can crawl on. We're gonna pay a call on the Addams Family.